Imagine you're building a web app and you need to share an upload with users. It could be an image, a document, or maybe even a video. Today, we'll walk through building a simple file upload system using TypeScript and server actions. By the end of the video, you'll have a working component that stores files locally within the project's public directory. So when uploading a file, there are typically three things that happen. First, the user will select the file. Number two, it's then processed. And then three, it's sent to a backend or a remote database to be stored virtually. In this project, we're going to build an upload file component in a Next.js 15 project. We're going to render everything on the server side and utilize server actions. For the example, a user will be able to select a PNG image, and after it, click the upload button and the file will be saved within the public directory. We're going to start with the file upload component and import Node.js FS module using the Promises API to handle the file storage asynchronously. The action function is going to be marked use server processing the uploaded file and then save it to our public folder within the root of the project. So we're going to create a const named data that's going to read the file's content in the array buffer. And if you didn't know, this is a low-level binary representation of a file. Array buffer is an asynchronous method that's going to be available on the file objects that's going to read the entire file into memory. This is necessary because the file needs to be converted into a format that can be processed or stored. And then we're going to ensure the file is stored at runtime in the Next.js project. Now, inside of the return statement, we're going to invoke a form, and the function is going to automatically receive the form data object. You can extract this data using the native form data methods. In the form, we're going to use the input with the type of file that has a name of file. Now, if the user selects the image file, in this example, we have the file name hidden. But once we click upload, if we go to our public directory, we'll see that the file is now stored within the public directory that's in the root of the project.